Well, today is going to be the first day of removing all the panels off the side of the pond. They've been on for about 10 years or so, and they've started to go rotted from the inside basically. The bottom ones here, you can see some of those have gone rotted as well, but they're not as bad as the ones on the pond. So these are going to be taken off all the way around the pond. The supports underneath are going to be checked, and then there's going to be insulation going on, and then new panels putting on. So that will keep me busy for a few days, and we'll see how the progress goes. So we'll get all this done the best we can. I'll say it's a big area to do, so it's going to take some time, but I need it done before the winter, and I've got a new idea for the winter covers as well. So please come back and check out my next video, and please subscribe.